Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone! Welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, the channel where I show you how to draw stuff. So today I'm going to show you how to draw a snowy owl. So before we get started, please feel free to like and comment and subscribe because all that stuff really helps out the channel. And if you really feel like it, then go ahead and share it too. That helps out as well. All right, so let's see our snowy owl. All right. So snowy owls, we're going to do the head shape first. So our head shape is going to be like this. Like that. And then we got two eyes. So he's going to be kind of squinting a little bit. His eyes aren't fully wide, fully open. Just half open. Okay. And I'm going to really darken this rounded part of the eye. I'm going to make that nice and thick. And then in the middle, I'm going to do like an oval and make that dark. He looks a little bit scary now. But hopefully by the end of it, he won't look too scary. All right, and so now his beak is going to be kind of like a really thin little slit. Like that. And I'm going to make that dark as well. Okay, so now we can come on down a little bit on both sides. But on this side, we are going to come all the way down like this. We made a hill. And on this side, we can come out a little bit, but not very much. And then we can slant down that way as well. But I'm going to stop right here. And then over on this side, we got a little point here. And I'm coming back up. And I do a little line here like that. And I'm going to put another line right here, slanting upwards. And I'm going to do another point right here. And that'll slant upwards as well. And let's do another one. Like that. And I'm going to do a couple more. So I just did two more, now one more. Okay, and now from right here, I'm going to go down like that, slanted. And I'm going to make this kind of floofy looking. This is where his foot is going to be. And we can kind of put a little bit more right here because this is his foot, his other foot. All right, so he's got some fluffy feet as well. So I'm slanting that way. And we're gonna come on out and have a bit of fluffiness here. And he'll have one big dark claw right here, sharp toenail. And have some fluffy bits. And do another sharp claw right there. And some more fluff. And now he needs his other foot. So we're slanted down, some fluffy bits, big dark toenail claw, and then we'll go across that way. And a few little fluff bits here. And now he's pretty much drawn, but he's got some dark little spots in his coloring. So I'm kind of just making these little dark U shapes. So he's going to have a pile of these. So I'm going to put some here, and I'll put some all along down here and on his chest as well, and on these little feathers. And maybe I'll put some up on top on his head too. So we'll probably speed up this part because it might be kind of boring just watching me draw these little dark U shapes. Alright, so now that I've got all my little U shapes done, I'm going to go in with some color, and the only colors I really need are, I'm going to use a yellow for his eyes, and, well, he actually just has all kinds of white on him, so I'm just going to use 2 different gray colors to add a little bit of shading. And then I'm going to use some blue for the background. Alright, so we are finished drawing our snowy owl. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Bye!